Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to go outside and tie-dye some of Brody's old onesies, some little like white leggings that I got for him from Amazon, a couple old stuff of mine that was like stained. So I'm really excited. I ordered a kit from Amazon and I'm gonna just give it a go. Lex, who used to do videos with us, is making amazing tie-dye sets and she actually is selling some really cute ones, but she gave me some tips and tricks on how to get like a really cute style. So I'm really excited and hopefully these come out really good. So I got this dye kit from Tulip and it comes with all these different colors. It also comes with like 16 pairs of gloves, rubber bands, and this like protective mat to put down. So I'm gonna tie-dye some of my old onesies that I had for Brody that got a little stained, some leggings, a really cute little bag that was a bridesmaid's gift. I'm gonna tie-dye that, and a white t-shirt. So let's see how it goes. Now you're just going to use rubber bands to kind of create the shapes and patterns that you want to do on the clothes that you're using. I'm just trying a couple different ones just to see how they all come out. I'm doing kind of like the accordion style and also these like twisted ones so you get that kind of tie-dye swirl. Then you're going to lay everything out on the protective mat and then you are good to go to start dyeing. Now I'm putting everything into these plastic bags and I'm gonna leave them in here overnight. So I let everything sit overnight in the plastic bags and then I rinsed everything off with cold water and then I washed it on speed wash in the washing machine with a little bit of soap and then I put it right in the dryer and it all came out so cute. I'm so excited. So these are all Brody's. My stuff is still wet in the bag. I just didn't have time to do mine yet, but his stuff came out super cute. I'm so excited about this. I'm so pumped with how these all came out, especially this blue one. How cute is this? I love it so much. I definitely have to get some more white onesies, like newborn size for the new baby coming, so I can make some for them. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, but when they get here, I'll definitely do some more tie-dyeing. So, all right, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you have any questions or any comments or any video suggestions on things you want to see me do, let me know in the comment section below and I will check them out. All right, guys, take care. And until next time, mwah!